if you've been writing YouTube scripts on your own and you need a little help, ChatGPT can help out. You can use ChatGPT to write engaging scripts as well as make it informative. As always, you need to break down the writing script part into multiple subtopics so that you can get a better overview and better results as well. So firstly, if you're starting out, you can use ChatGPT to generate topic ideas. So for example, if you have a tech channel, you can give in a simple prompt like this, and it is going to suggest you videos that are suitable for your niche. So through this process, you can select out topics. Or video ideas for your YouTube channel. Now, in order to write scripts, you need to first of all create an outline, which you can also use ChatGPT for. So you can write in something like this, and this way it's going to generate a complete outline of the exact script that you may need. This way you can filter out what you need and what you don't need as well. Also, you can add in variations of the hooks or make ChatGPT create different hooks so that your video gets instant attractions. Similarly, you can tweak your prompts to make your script even better. So that is the exact way that you can use ChatGPT for YouTube video scripts. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos similar to this. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next one.